Ladies and gentlemen, stay locked in today as I take you through my daily routine to maintain low blood pressures. Green tea and sweet potatoes for breakfast. Green tea has antioxidants that help relax blood vessels. Sweet potatoes give steady energy and potassium, which helps balance sodium. Beetroot and thorn melon for midday. Beetroot can improve blood flow. Thorn melon is hydrating and rich in electrolytes, which support heart health. Fruits during the day. High fiber, potassium rich snacks that prevent overeating and keep blood pressure stable. 30 to 40 minutes walk. Gentle daily movements help your blood vessels stay flexible and lowers stress hormones. Meditation, music, reading calms the nervous system and lowers stress, equal to lower blood pressure. Evening exercise strengthens the heart so it doesn't have to pump as hard. Small dinner prevents nighttime blood pressure spikes and helps digestion. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you and see you in the next video.